And today I'll be showing you part 2 of coding a turtle race game. So let's get started. So first thing you need to do is select on the wheel the scale. So the Z. Okay, so Z. Keep like that. Key 0.25. It's a more reasonable size. 0.25. And then drag this. Because this will be the car. So 0.25. Drag it over here. Well, I think you should twist the camera, so yeah, like that. So then you drag it. Then this one is 0.25. Select it and then you drag it. Now there is the car. The only thing we also gotta do is make the car a little smaller because it's a little big. Okay, that's a better size. It's a little better. Okay, good. Now we can actually start making the code for the camera, so the camera actually looks. So now let's go. So first thing you do is go to create folder, call it scripts, double click it, create a C script, call it camera behavior, and then if you have this app called Xcode, I would recommend you drag it to Xcode and it'll open up in the Xcode. So yeah, just come. Everything is good here. Now the other thing we got to do is this. So then you add this like this. So call it private transform target. Yeah, like that. And then it says void start here. So here you write target equals game object not find. Gotta spell it right. Dot find. You got to find. Since there's an item in the list called turtle tracker, it's going to take that out like that. Tracker. Turtle tracker dot transform. That basically does. Well, it's supposed to find the car and it's gonna use it. So now instead of update, late update, that's a little bit before it. Now write this dot transform dot position equals target dot transform point. And then write cam offset. I thought it was a camel offset. This dot transform dot look at target. Okay, so now, don't write cam offset because that's not there's no such thing. Write 0, 1, -2. Save that. Now take the code, drag it to the camera, main camera, like that. So if you go to the camera, it should say it's connected to camera behavior.script. So if you run it, okay, that's what's not good. First of all, what are you? I just want to see real quick. What is that doing here? Oh, that's the camera. Okay, so go back here. I'm gonna make it tripled. So free, -6. Actually, this should be 4 then. Save this, go, run. We still don't see it. Select the camera, drag it upwards, rotate it 90. Nope. This way? Yeah. Nope. 90. Okay, good. Okay, so now drag it back like this. Should be in the center. Let me stretch it a little bit. Okay. This should work. Okay, if it still doesn't work, I'm gonna have to go to the turtle tracker. $160, $150. I think that's good. Run. Okay. Go to the camera.script. Turtle tracker.transform. Blah blah blah. Target. So then there is something with you. Something wrong. Okay, so trigger. Okay. So that means we got to twist the camera the other way. But look at target. Transform point. We're going to rotate it. Okay. It still doesn't work. Let's drag it here. Now then, 1, 0, 2. Just retry this because something wrong. Zoom out. +2, +2, +2. It's 2. That. Guess something isn't right. Let's try to figure it out. So we've got to turn the car so the camera can fit right in. So for that, we actually need to create a new script. Call it car behavior And like that. Open it up. Wait, open up with Xcode. So now you got to do this. Here write private float v input and private float h input. Put it like that. Go back to update. Now v put equals input dot get axis vertical times the times 10f, like that. And saving for this, just instead of vertical each, put this to h, and then call this horizontal times 70f. Now here, put this dot transform dot translate vector free. Wait. Okay, it's fine. Vector free dot forward times the input, then times time dot delta time. I could just copy and paste this, except for this. Rotate up H input and like that. Now you copy this. So then not this times 200. Save that, run this. Oh, we forgot to put some commas. Okay, good. Let's go. Why doesn't it? Oh. Okay, good. Now run it. So we have to go back to the car. Time dot delta time. Save that, run this. Okay. Oh, before we do anything, okay, doesn't really look nice, but so this of turtle, because it has some turns, so run. Something. Right, so it moves, but is this? No? Something really wrong. Okay, fine. So then take this camera. Move it like over there. Okay, it's not rotated, so I'll have to rotate it. Right, time I go to the camera, disconnect it. That's the car. It drives. Well, that's nice. Zoom. Woohoo! Okay, so now first of all, the roof, I would like to change it not into a plane, not plane, but a cube. Then wait, what does that look like? And then make the first window also a cube. Oh. So so this might be the problem. So you go to body 1. So then okay, so how about we turn this, let's turn, why doesn't the camera, bum 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 bum, why doesn't it, camera behavior, reset, okay, good, now, okay, so how about, what are you, can you just, no, so pick this up, so like that. Okay, so got a car behavior. Okay, do something pretty weird, but not too weird. I'm gonna block out everything. I'm gonna block it out till here. And then we're gonna paste this. You good. The input. Oh, good. What to do? So this is the car. That's everything. So it's like that. So you might see that the window and the roof has changed colors. So just switch their colors. It'll be fine. Now go to the camera behavior and notice that I switched the numbers. Because I figured out this is X, Y, Z. And I thought it was, if I was increasing all of them, then yeah. So yeah. So it's these numbers. And if you also go to car behavior, it's going to be times 40F now and times 90F. Like that. Now, I also built a road. So basically it's a plane that's 10 by the Z, 1 by the X, and 1 by the Y. Now just black and the color is wheels. Yeah, like that. So now, let's test it. So, you might notice it drives. Woohoo! It even drives off the land. Now, yeah, so it drives. So that has been the end of Turtle Racers Part 2. And in Turtle Racers Part 3, we will build races and more. So, I'll see you in the next episode of Turtle Racers. Bye!